Greetings from Hackensack. I'm making a fish and vegetable dinner tonight. We're going to have some fresh wild cod that I bought at Costco. $7.99 a pound from Iceland. And I'm going to make it with a reduction of organic diced tomatoes, some chopped garlic and olive oil I was sauteing until it was fragrant, some red wine. And I'm going to boil this and reduce it a little bit. And we're going to put pesto and this organic diced tomato reduction on the fish after it's finished. The fish goes into a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. So I added some organic no-salt seasoning, some parsley. Of course, fresh herbs would be great in here, but I don't have any right now. So I'm going to cook this down and then start preparing the fish. I did some preparation ahead of time. Here's the cod from Costco. I cut it up into serving pieces. A little organic no-salt seasoning. I only had a half a lemon, so I marinated in lemon and a little orange juice. So I placed the cod on top of this organic spinach, which I drizzled with a little olive oil. And then I have these chopped black olives and capers that I can sprinkle on top and around the pan. I have some organic mushrooms that I bought at H Mart. My wife doesn't like mushrooms, but she'll be able to pick these out. So this pan is going to go into a preheated 400-degree oven. I have some very thick pieces and I have some thinner pieces. So I think I'll take the thinner pieces out after 15 minutes and let the thicker pieces stay in there for perhaps 10, 20, or a little bit longer than that. So the last thing I do before the pan goes in is some grated Parmesan cheese. The pesto that we're going to be using also has cheese in it, and but it really lifts the flavor of the fish. So I've taken the thinner fillets out of the oven after about 8 minutes, and I put the thicker ones back in there. So each one gets a little pesto. And organic diced tomatoes, which with red wine, which I've reduced. It's a nice rich reduction. There's garlic here, as I mentioned. So I'm having mine with some leftover tzatziki.